If employees submit holiday requests online in Engage, you might want them to see who else has booked time off in their team to avoid overlap. If you'd like to allow Team View for holidays, go to Administration. On the Preferences page, select Holidays. Here you can see an option to allow employees to see booked and requested holidays for all employees in their own department. It will be set to yes or no. To change the setting, click Edit. Tick the box to enable or untick to disable. If you'd like to allow employees to see all holidays in sub-departments of their own team, enable the Sub-Departments option as well.